Family members, how are you? And today's video we are showing you that this is our client project, 6ammart project, and we are setting the translation options. And here you can see translating may takes up to 2 hours 30 minutes. So basically we are doing translate the language from English to Arabic. So any of the country you want to set up your 6ammart software for your business, for your startup, for your dream company, we can set up for you any language. However, it's Bengali, it's English, it's Arabic, it's Kurdus, it's any language in the world, we can translate for you and set up for you the 6ammart software. And if you want to build your own 6ammart software, you can contact us in WhatsApp, we can set up for you. So that's a simple short video. And here you can see, here is a 6ammart integration documents. Here you can see that you can translate any language in the world. How to language this process, you can read the documents page. So here is the page where you can find all your country codes and the country names. Here you can see that ISO 3166 country codes and ISO 639 language codes. So you just need to find your language code and set up in your Android Studio or your admin panel. So that is a simple process, and sometimes it takes very long time. Here you can see, here is showing 2 hours to takes the translation process. So if you want to set up your own 6ammart software, then you can contact us, we can set up for you. Although if you want to any customization in your 6ammart and also you want to build your own custom software, then we can also do that for you. So in this video we are talking about the translation process. So if you want to order, then you can simply message me in WhatsApp. So bye.